Nag-aaral na ang aking anak. Shout out po sa nag-sponsor ng gamit ni Abdurrahman. Walang iba kundi si Mama at si Tita Dandan. God bless you more. Thank you so much.
Hi mga idol! For today's videos, samahan niyo ako mamili ng gamit ng aking anak kasi mag-school na siya this Monday. Tara na guys! Let's go!
I just wanna get you on my grid sometimes on my grid. I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams.
Ayan guys, bago tayo bumili ng gamit ni Abdurrahman, kain muna tayo kasi nakakagutom sa biyahe. Alam nyo ba, 1.5 oras ang aming biyahe dahil sobrang traffic. O, ito, inantok ka na. Dito sa loob.
Please proceed to Laundry 2, Oven to Laundry 2, please.
There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars.
Ayaw niya. Pangit daw ito.
If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger, no.
Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin mga idol. Ngayon ay pauwi na kami. At ayan, nagpa-picture muna si Abdurrahman kasi nagustuhan nga niya yung motor.
Grabe no!
Niya.